good afternoon everyone. My share, I want to share. Ako nga pala si April Tejada. We just joined CFC, I think last May. Ay, June pala. Sorry. I think I shared it already before, the experience I have. The reason behind why we joined CFC. The reason why we joined CFC is that last April, yeah, I can share it to you now because I already know this. So, yeah, it's like last June, I keep on crying about what I want to share, but now I can fully share to everyone what I experienced. So, last April, I lost my job and I had so many sufferings, pain, mixed emotions because I had my job for almost 7 years and instantly I just lost my job. So it's like, it's so hurtful for me because I thought my life would just be there. Hanggang doon ang buhay ko. So, my life, nag-evolve lang siya sa trabaho. So I thought I could not get to know other people because every week, Monday to Friday, so Saturday, 2 a.m., nandun pa rin ako sa work. Kasi late na kami umuwi. So by Saturday, I woke up maybe 2 p.m. already. So wala ka nang ibang ginagawa kasi pagod ka every night. And then Sunday, to be honest, hindi talaga kami nagsisimba before. Because pagod ako, pagod siya, wala akong time. And I said to myself, siguro ginawa ng God yun. Tinanggal niya yung trabaho para sa akin. Kasi nakalimutan ko siya. I lost my time to God. And then I realized, sabi ko, somebody, Ate Robilin was there for me. During those time, she invited me to CFC instantly because I think Saturday night, nag-usap kami. Of all people, sa kanya ko lang shinare yung lahat ng experience ko at mga pain na hindi ko kaya i-share sa iba. So, the day after the Saturday, we went to church. That was the day na bumangon ako. I get up to bed kasi feeling ko okay na ako. Gusto ko magsimba. And then, kinausap niya ako after the church na, may CFC tayo today. Baka gusto mong sumali. Sabi ko lang, ngayon talaga, te. Wala pa akong tulog, te. So, sabi ng asawa ko, ikaw gusto mo mag-join. Pero sinabi ko, kailangan pa natin sumali. Kasi 2 years ago, I think 2 to 3 years ago, sumali na kami. But unfortunately, hindi namin natapos. Only 2 sessions lang. And then, sabi ko, sige, try kong makinig. And then, during the, what we call this one, the session 1, God's love. I keep on telling myself na, this is a realization about life na kahit ano palang how successful you are, akala mo kumpleto ka na nasa'yo na lahat, ipapapil pa rin ni God sa'yo na may kulang sa buhay mo. And mapapil ni God sa'yo na, teka, parang yung buhay mo wala na sa center. Hindi na ako ang center ng buhay mo kasi busy kayong lahat. Nakalimutan niyo na ako. So, doon na-realize ko na kailangan ko rin i-invite yung asawa ko kasi sabi niya, ikaw lang sumali. Pero nung umuwi ako ng bahay, I was surprised when my daughter said, I want to join you as well. And then sinabi ko sa asawa ko, yung anak mo sasali, dapat sumali ka din. So, the next Sunday, thank God, sumama na yung asawa ko hanggang natapos namin yung 8 consecutive hours. And then, para sa akin, ang gaan sa loob kasi doon ko na-realize na maybe God took something from me that I thought hanggang doon lang lahat ng buhay ko nakaibot. Pero nung mga weeks na kasama ko yung community ng CFC, I realized that maybe God took something from me, but in return, I get to know some people and to be part of this kind of community as CFC. It was so grateful for me. Na sabi ko, kahit mawala yung trabaho ko, worth it naman kasi maraming kapalit. Mas may mabuting makapalit sa buhay ko kasi every time na nasasali kami, pumunta kami ng dialogue. After kami uwi, sasabihin ko sa asawa ko na ang gaan naman sa loob na yung mga taong nandun, kahit first time mo pa lang silang nakilala, yung warm na pag-welcome nila, nakaka-appreciate yung sabi ko, akala ko sa Harvey lang tayo mag-circulate, magkakaroon ng kaibigan. Pero nung na-experience namin yung dalawang Sunday yata, or ilang araw ba yun, sabi ko, napakabuti naman nila. Kasi, imagine, ngayon lang tayo lala, pero ang bait-bait nung yung appreciate namin yung lahat ng prayers, yung umalis kami. Tapos sabi ko, kahit nawala yung trabaho ko, worth it naman kasi may nakilala akong mabubuting tao na mag-guide namin. And nasabi ko, Lord, siguro ito yung plan kasi during those time na na-experience ko yung sufferings, I question God, bakit ako? Bakit kailangan ako yung makaramdam nito? Kasi alam ko naman na ginawa ko yung best ko sa work and then na-realize ko, siguro isa to sa plan ni God na kailangan kitang alisin dyan kasi may makikilala kang mas mabuti. May makakatulong sa faith mo sa akin. Kaya sabi ko, worth it naman. So, lahat yun, grateful ako. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin ma-imagine na I get to know every one of you here. And we were guided, especially kay Ate Rubenin at kay Jan Jay. Kasi grabe yung transformation namin. Hindi ko malaman na, before, araw-araw akong galit. Parang ang napaka-bitter ko sa mundo, pero ngayon, I see God everywhere na kahit galit ka, nawawala kasi alam mo, sasabihin ng asawa ko, oy, nag-CMC ka, bawal magalit. Ganun lang ginagawa niya sa akin. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, sumali lang tayo ng CFC. Hindi naman ibig sabihin nun, mabait ka na. Sabi ko, bigyan mo naman ako ng chance to mag-slowly change myself. So sabi ko, take time. Pero lahat ng actions ko ngayon, and I was surprised na before, I cannot imagine myself, yung nag-a-advise ako sa ibang tao na, ganyan yung plano ni God, yung ganun. Kasi para sa akin, hindi naman ako ganito. Pero ngayon, parang nakaka-at peace sa puso mo na may mga taong may pinagdadaanan din. Pero I get to say them, just pray, I will pray for you. Parang sabi ko sa ako pa ba to? Pero naisip ko, why would I hesitate the plans of God for me kung pwede ko namang i-share sa ibang tao? So para sa akin, I was so grateful. My husband, my daughter is so grateful being part of CFC that you change her life. Even though in the past, may mga sufferings, but I thank God because lahat ng pain na naramdaman ko before, I offered to God and I was so grateful for having part of the CFC. Thank you.